Want to download your credit report from Experian? I will walk you through the steps in just a minute. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Experian website at www.experian.com. Next, sign into your Experian account. If you don't have one, click on sign up and follow the instructions to create your account. Once logged in, go to the credit report section. You will be able to request a free copy of your report as you are entitled to one per year. Click on download report to get your credit report in PDF format. You can now review it or save it for later. And that's it. Your Experian credit report is ready. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.